Hello. Now we discuss the microbes used as a biocontrol agent. Bio means living things. Control agent means some microbes help as a biocontrol because some microbes make the plant disease resistant. Some microbes make the plant disease resistant. Okay. One of them here is a one bacteria, Bacillus thuringiensis bacteria, which short name is a BT, means Bacillus thuringiensis bacteria. This bacteria is present in the this bacteria is found in the soil. Okay, this bacteria is found in the soil. So the gene is extracted from this bacteria is called the BT gene, and one gene is extracted from this bacteria is called the BT gene, or this BT gene produce a protein. This protein is called the cryprotein. This protein is called the cryprotein, which is a poisonous. Okay, so with the help of the biotechnology, we introduce this gene into the plant body. We introduce this gene into the plant body, or in a plant body, this protein is a inactive form. Okay, in plant body, this cryprotein lives as a inactive form, or when any bacteria, when any insect eat this plant, then this protein enter into their gut. Okay, enter into their gut and increase and causes swelling in the gut. Due to the swelling of the gut, insect become die. Due to the swelling of the gut, insect become die. So that type this BT gene help to prepare the disease resistant plant. Okay, disease resistant plant. So by inserting the BT gene, we make many disease resistant plant. Okay, next is here trichoderma. Okay, next is here trichoderma. ठीक है ना. So trichoderma is the another fungi. Okay, it is a living fungi, or it is a living fungi. It lives in the association with the root of the crop plant. Okay, trichoderma is a fungus which lives in the some plant's root. Okay, and this fight against the several pathogens. Okay, this fungus lives in the root of the crop plant and fight against the several pathogens. Same as baculoviruses. Baculoviruses are the pathogens attack on the insect. This is a pathogen. Okay, or this pathogen attack on the insect and other arthropods by attacking this bacteria. This bacteria plant protect from the diseases. Okay, clear here?